Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I was in the market for some serious storage for my patio. That's why I'm so happy with this huge container from KETER. So this is the KETER Westwood 150-gallon container, and it is sturdy, it's large, easy to fill, and waterproof. I love the fact that it has hinges on the cover that stay open. That makes loading and unloading it very easy. Primarily, I wanted this to hold large cushions on my patio so that when it rained, I would be able to keep them protected but not have to bring them inside the house. I also find that I'm able to put in a lot of things from the pool, like pool toys and tools. It just keeps my patio so tidy. Because it's waterproof, it's easy to clean, and once everything's inside, I'm not worried about anything getting wet or ruined. This thing feels indestructible, but it also looks beautiful. As part of my patio, I can put extra food on it when I'm entertaining. People can even sit on it because it's that strong. So if you're looking for a storage container that is large, good looking, durable, and waterproof, you can't go wrong with this huge storage container from KETER. I'm so happy with it. It's so useful, and I really think it's going to last a long time. And that is my point of view.